Okay, so we are down here in Southern California, and I'm gonna try and sneak my Honda S2000 into the official Hoonigan warehouse. It's like right over here, right in front of us. It's right there. Oh wait, that's Colette and Demi. Wait, let's see if they could help us. Hey, psst, guys, big favor. Do you guys think you can help me try and sneak my car into the warehouse? I know there's a security guard right there. You guys think you could distract him?
Yeah, I think I got something.
We
got you. We got you.
Okay.
1 second.
They got him distracted. Oh, he's distracted. He's super distracted. Oh, we got the gate. We got the gate. We got the gate. We got the gate. Go.
Thank you so much.
We're in. We're actually in. We're actually in. Now we've entered the literal burn yard. We are at where they hoon out all the cars.
This is surreal.
There's all the graffiti. Should we slide there? I feel like we have to slide in the burn yard. Dude, like, we're totally gonna get banned, but we got this far, you might as well fully send it, so. All right, we out of here. Off again. Where to?
LA. Well, Long Beach.
Yeah, Long Beach LA. Specifically. I'm gonna go meet my car down there. It's currently missing from the driveway. And you know who's taking us there?
Mr. Blue M3.
None other than the man is back. He's back for the summer. He freaking hibernates down in Florida.
Absolutely
and he
right.
Returns as his car actually remains in Seattle all year long.
Absolutely right. So
is this gonna?
We're gonna vibe like this. Yes, sir. Absolutely. This is the convertible life. So.
All right, we'll let that chill there, and I'll put the rest of the stuff probably in here. That's probably where that's gonna have to go. Zach's once again backseat in a V8. Yeah. It's always the place he ends up. It's first my Camaro, now it's the M3. Always back there. Now we are at SeaTac. Key vlog information. So Justin HCI, he's gonna be picking us up from the airport. Now I did rent out a Turo for my week here, and between us two, the Turo that we got is literally Justin's dream car that like he's saving up for, that will hopefully be his first car or whatnot. He's gonna take us to it and we'll hopefully get his reactions, but I don't know if he'll be happy about this. Our car is somewhere.
This is a sketchy.
Oh, look at that.
What? Oh, I thought you rented that. I was like, no way. Oh, it's in that garage.
Oh, really?
Damn, the Supra distracted. Hold on, let me hit it.
Hang on, turn around, go back to the Supra.
Yeah.
Oh dang, they turned it on.
Damn. I'm starting to think that is yours.
It is my car.
You bitch. You get an S2000 here and a Supra, dude. I hate you.
We're in LA and all we're driving around in is gonna be in Justin's dream cars.
Meanwhile, he's in the whip.
In the absolute bucket. Awesome.
In the freaking, what year is this Civic?
1985.
Hey Zach, you wanna drive? Not for an hour, to be honest.
All right.
It's an hour?
To Long Beach?
Yeah, we're going a long ways.
Here, I'll take this one.
Well,
give you more power.
Have fun with this thing right here. I'm gonna go hop in my whip. We're down here with eBay. Now they have brought my S2000 down to a very, very special garage, which we're gonna go to tomorrow. But since it's gonna be there kind of the whole week, getting stuff done here and there that we're gonna be tinkering with, obviously I need my own car for transport, so that is why we Turo'd our own car. Even though I have my personal S2K down in this area. We get a little bit of both magical worlds, and it's just a little bit funny because they're literally both of Justin's dream cars. And he's stuck with, you know,
piece of crap.
What? So we have made it to the Hoonigan Industries establishment here. We got the rental posted up back there. And now my personal car is somewhere around here. We got everything from, you know, the Hoonigan trailers to Justin's piece of
the Butte.
Hey! And there she is.
Posted up, waiting for us.
And she has company. That's the coolest thing.
Like
so yeah, there's literally two. That is Demi Bagby's car back there that they just got, and it is entirely coincidental that there are two bone stock AP1 S2000s here at the garage for this eBay mod campaign that they're doing.
Looking good in the sunshine.
She can use a little bit of a detail here and there, but you know, she's chilling. And inside the mod garage, they got some parts for us that we're gonna be loading onto the car for these next 2 days. Bringing her in. We have everything that we're gonna be doing to the car laid out right here. Come check this out. So for their campaign here in the eBay Motors mod garage, we're basically doing simple stuff. I mean, all of it is guaranteed fit to the car. We have a front lip piece right here. We have little rear spats, valences and whatnot. These are both unpainted, so we're gonna get those painted down the line. We have this wing piece, which actually already came from eBay painted, so that's a bonus. Engine bay, cover plate, strut brace, K&N air filter. I don't even know what was in here. Something was in here. A moment in history is about to happen right now because we're literally about to touch this completely untouched baby. We're gonna start out with the air intake. So this box right here has got to come out. But this does feel very sacrilegious, I'm not gonna lie, because this is like, you know, this is the first actual aftermarket piece that this car is gonna see within its whole 23 years of living out here. So without further ado, here we go, onwards to improvement. This is a little boy. Here's the casing in itself where it sits. Oh wow. Man,
that thing's never
she's
been changed.
crusty. Yeah, never been touched. Oh my gosh, there's like literally probably rat droppings in there. Honestly, just by taking that piece off, we probably added an additional like 10 horsepower. Oh, perfect. They gave me the gloves. This is so clutch. The engine bay is so hot right now. I've been running the car and that was our mistake. Two ladies over there are working on their car and they already literally have an HKS exhaust loaded on like 2 seconds in. And I'm jealous of that because like, I mean, we're gonna hear better noises out of with an intake, but I mean, nothing beats the transformation of an exhaust. Oh, dude, it won't come.
This is like all we have left.
Okay. Yeah. We just yeah, you just leave that.
Yeah, good luck.
Thank you. With the help of Hoonigan. Woo! Look how much room is in there now. You gotta hold it up closer to. Okay. We got it barely lubricated.
Here we go. Now what the old M gonna do?
Chuck it. These bolts right here for the strut towers have literally never been touched. You can see the factory markings on where the torque is at, and they've never been loosened for its entirety. Isn't that insane?
Yeah, dude.
Like there's like a little highlighter marking that's like on the, you know, like the thread to where the bolt is. Yeah. There's just everything on this car has not been touched in its lifetime. I'm not used to that on a car that's this old. Finishing touches. Homie's got the world's longest extension. This is so unnecessarily long.
The amount of leverage and torque he has right now.
Think about the range on this bad boy. I could be 5 feet away and I'm still torquing it.
Do you guys have a 1/4 inch extension?
Water.
By any chance?
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
We're trying to complete the tower here.
Uh-huh.
So I don't know if you guys got any lying around, but
I don't think so. I think that's too small for us. We don't.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see how it is. We'll go 1/2 inch next time. That's a big difference. Like that, just that instant suck sound. Whoa, that's sick.
I'm telling you, bro, VTEC is gonna be loud as now.
Really?
Oh yeah.
That's so cool. It reminds me of like a muscle car, just a like I said, oh man. Now we got all this extra room in here and we're not done yet. We're gonna pretty this up even more. So next up is gonna be Megan Racing strut brace. Give ourselves some structural rigidity.
If you want to start threading those on.
It's gonna help our handling as well. She is on. We have this carbon front cover plate right here that's gonna cover up all this gunk right there. Say that one more time.
Carbon fiber?
Yeah, there we go. Our engine bay is complete. Carbon fiber, intake, strut brace. Got room for activities now. You got a little supercharger in there if you wanted to. different. What is that?
This is intake.
Is that really?
Wait till VTech opens.
Whoa! What the heck?
That's insane, dude.
That doesn't even sound right. I've never heard an intake make that much of a sound difference.
That's insane.
You guys can't tell viewing this. It literally sounds like there is this new creature that is under my hood and it's just making sounds. That's so weird. What the heck?
That sounds fantastic.
We literally didn't do an exhaust and my car is literally like twice as loud as it was just because of an intake. Intake kicking in is like,
It's like instantaneous.
oh, that's so weird.
That's so
I have
satisfying.
never heard an intake transformation like that in my life. That is mind-blowing. Finally, we're gonna test fit some of the aero for the S2000 right here. Obviously, some of the pieces are unpainted, so we're just gonna mock it up and see how it looks on the car, and then when we get everything back up to Seattle, we'll get her sprayed match Silverstone. That's what she looks like mocked up. I tried to just kind of get some subtle added aggression towards the front. Good added piece to stay with the OEM AP1 bumper. Properly fitted, properly matched. This is all the rear aero that I'm gonna add onto the car. I know everyone wants to do like big track wing and whatnot, but this is how we're keeping the style of this car. The last little bit right here are these valances, just because I'm a man of balance and I believe that if you add an extended chin and front lip that you gotta balance it out the rest of the bottom of the car. So these are gonna help kind of complement the front lip up there and also maybe help out with some mud here and there, who knows? So we're gonna conclude the night with a little Hoonigan fashion space race against Demi and Colette's S2000 back there in the burn yard. So this will be interesting.
Congratulations, Jack, you won. Guess what you get to do now? Spin them boys.
Oh, let's get it. It is finally time to say goodbye to the S2000. Could wave your farewells right over there. And goodbye to everyone at Hoonigan. Thank you so much eBay Motors for this awesome opportunity. We got the car with some starter mods and upgrades, as well as won a little Hoonigan space race. Now she is going to be transported back home up to Seattle, and we gotta go get ourselves there now, so that means dropping off and saying goodbye to the beautiful A90 Supra, sadly. Justin's gonna miss that one.
Damn right.
We completely lost the keys to the Supra. The car will start, so it's in it somewhere. We have no idea where it is. Do you have them? The keys to the Supra for some reason. You know where you put them?
I didn't put them in.
You said they were in here, right?
What?
When you parked it, and you told me the keys were in here.
Yeah, they were in here.
Where?
They're just not in the car.
Well, they have to be. The car starts.
I never touched the keys.
It starts. So they have to be here.
Where the frick?
Where'd they go?
Where else would they be?
It's not in the trunk. Dude, I'm so confused. No, you don't have... This is ridiculous. I leave these guys responsible for the keys for like 1 hour and they disappear. You find it?
I found a water bottle.
Oh my god. Where are the keys? It's someplace dumb, I swear.
It definitely is. It's probably.
Are you sure Zach hasn't like checked his pocket or something?
What the?
You see it? You get it?
Not under the seat.
They're not.
They're not under the seat?
I already checked.
Are they in the gas cap?
Dude, like what in the how? I wasn't starting still.
Yeah.
Like what?
How are they not here?
Are you sure? You did not.
Dude, I put the keys right here. On top, like right here.
When we got out of the car.
I left the keys there when I left the car. I didn't touch anything. Okay, well, since the car is drivable, obviously the keys are in here.
Under the passenger seat.
Under the passenger seat?
Yes.
I looked there. Where were they?
They were laying down like this, where like the black was facing your face. So you probably couldn't see it. Alright, well.
Well, that's 30 minutes gone.
Alright, don't put them in the center console next time where they can fly out. Dude, we were like struggling with that for so long that I straight up thought like the car could start without the keys. Like he's like looking up like, can A90 Supra be remote started with no keys? It's like, dude, we lost hope that they were in the car. Yo, bonus round. Doing mod campaign on the Civic here at the mod garage. You already know.
The bucket is inside the Hoonigan garage. That's a life goal.
We talk a lot about how many times we managed to get our places where we don't belong, and this is one of those moments.
This car has been at the SEMA after party. Yeah. It's been at EDC, and now it's inside the official mod garage.